Afternoon all, on this absolutely beautiful sunny day. I'm actually hot and ready to take my jumper off. Just thought I'd show you what we're up to today. We've got some vintage tractor step panels, and that was the rotten piece. They've been sandblasted. That was the rotten piece that had been cut out of there. So just fabricated a panel, very simple plate. But yeah, just wanted to show you some of the process. That's butt welded in there. I put some tacks to hold it in place. I'll just run a weld on there. Yeah, just thought we'd do a bit of a video of me actually doing the welding so you can see for yourself. It's quite thick metal, so you don't have to stop so much with the MIG welder. But yeah, see for yourself. Oh, there we go. That's just a run of weld there. You just set the welder up nicely. You just put a tack on there, let it cool for a second, and then just lay another one. Yeah, and that's not too shabby. That's just a wire brush. By the time that's ground down, that's going to just be seamless. That's just butt welded in there. You can see good heat penetration through on the other side. Yeah, just thought I'd show you. I'll do a bit more if you like. You can probably just about hear the pause. That's just where you're waiting for the metal to cool down for a split second. Once it's cooled down, you just lay another weld right next to the other. There we go, that's quite a nice one. That's all about the setup of the welder, the thickness of the metal. Yeah, and just being patient. Some people just try and run a welder, continuous weld, and it warps, it blows through. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Welcome back. I just thought we would do a recap now it's been welded. If you zoom in a bit here, you can see fully seam weld, and then I've ground that section off just to show you how nice and flush that goes in. Obviously there's a slight difference in the thickness of the metal, so you get a slight difference, but on this side you can see how nice and flush it's gone in. The heat penetration, nice and flush. Yeah, and I just used a 40 grit flat disc. Keep it nice and flat, concentrate on the weld, and yeah, they're the results with yeah, minimum effort in terms of cleaning up, and that can always be finished with a skim of filler just to make it invisible. But yeah, that's a nice clean result. I'm really pleased with that.